from here. Good evening from my side. Here is already, of course, we are in majority are in Europe here, so you know the time. So, and our brothers and sisters in other parts of the world, I greet all of you. Thank you very much for this short period of time to say hello to Europeans, mostly Europeans, and address one or two things. It's a kind of, first of all, the first one is an apology to European RED and all the European members. And for you, we received the letter, the complaint you sent to us, to both CRC and the BAC, the Advisory Council. But due to time constraint, we have been very busy. I know all of you know that we just came back, some of us came back from Finland just 2 days ago. So, and that letter was sent, I think, the period we were leaving for Finland. So we didn't have time. Up to now, I've not read that letter. I don't know the content. I just saw it. I just clicked it, but I didn't read it because of time. And our General Secretary, the same thing. She has not, opened it even because she's very busy. We're all busy. And then we got the information that, of course, we understand everybody. When you are complaining, if you send something and there's not even acknowledgement letter, of course, nobody will be happy. So I apologize on behalf of CRC and on behalf of Council for that delay. We will work on that, of course. We are not, it's not that we are ignoring the letter, not at all. We will do that. It's not the way we operate. It's just a matter of time. Give us time, please. We will address it and we will respond to you. So it's just, it's not an oversight that we did not respond. It's just a matter of time. We didn't have the time. So please forgive us for that, delay. You will still hear from us. The second part of what we would like to, present to you, the account issue that has been, discussed over and over and over and over. And the Advisory Council has been working on that. And today we have a good news for Biafrans and for all of you here. First of all, our webmaster is here with us, Honorable Azu. He will, give you people more information about, your account.
No, put yourself on mute.
Okay, so sorry for that interruption. Our webmaster, who is Honorable Azu, is here to talk to us, and who will give you people more information about our new account and how we are going to make use of it. So, our Honorable Azu, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Over to you. The mic is in your table. Thank you very much. Over to you.
Okay. So I greet all Biafrans in Europe. I hope everyone can hear me okay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Well, Dobby, are you recording your meeting? Because I can't see it. Go ahead, Honorable Azu.
No, I'm not recording. Should I record it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you should. Yeah.
Please.
Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.
For the reminder.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So my just brief message is that we all know how things have developed since December in Finland. With Ngozi and her group, we took some emergency steps to address the leadership vacuum, and we elected our APM, which those were the emergency steps we took at that time, and we believe it has been, it served its purpose. And now BAC has resolved that the government needs to transition to more normal operations. And one major feature of normal operations is having a clear separation between the executive and finance. And so the steps that BAC has taken today is the changing of the bank account to which our websites and contribution platforms are linked. So at this stage, Biafrans will be able to go and contribute on the websites the way that they normally do, and it will be, it will go to an account that's managed by the advisory council. So that is the update that we have, and I don't know if anyone has any questions on that, but that's the decision that we made today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Asu. And thank you for all you do.
And I want to mention that there is someone here that does not belong here. I saw their camera just a few minutes ago, and I just hope that the hosts are taking steps to remove anyone that does not belong here. If someone does not, the only people that should be able to unmute and to share their screen should be the host. This person named Alex, I don't know who he is. I don't know which country he's in, but there's someone here that does not belong here.
I think it's Alex from Israel?
Alex from Israel.
Okay. So it's not Alex.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I think Van is here. I believe he can with.
Give me attention, sir.
Yeah. No. What we were talking about intruders. We are talking about intruders. For you to be careful, you and Honorable Obi. I think that's what Honorable Azu was trying to say. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Azu. I don't know if there is any question. I mean, the account, I think it's clear. He made it. He said it all. Or do we have any question for him? Since he's here now, he can address it right away.
I have one hand up.
Okay.
Engineer Nani, Honorable. Yeah, meet. Okay.
Yeah, good evening, all.
Please, we need to know that this meeting shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. So that
just this question and then that's it. Hey, people are ready
good
for
evening,
because it's important if they have issues. Go ahead, please, quickly.
My question is pertaining the new account changed anyway, and because we're making payments, it might be tomorrow or today. The procedure we're using the government account and tax, is it the same procedure? Will it link us to the new account?
Yes.
If
Oh,
so,
a minute, mate.
we can go ahead. We don't have to worry much about it. If not, can we have a physical account detail of that new account so we can use it as soon as possible? Thank you.
Yes, thank you for that question, Engineer. And the answer is that everything is the same. You go to the same websites that you've gone to, which is IPOB&USA.org or BiafraRepublic.gov.org, and make your contributions there. There are also PayPal buttons. The PayPal buttons have been updated. The IOU page has been updated. So at this point, anyone can go to our website and contribute the way that they always have been doing.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just one more. Mwamba.
Yeah, good evening, honorables. Yes, it's just, let me say, it's a suggestion. It is very strange, and on our brother that spoke to us, his video cannot be seen. We should be able to see his video while he was addressing the family. Thank you.
We know him.
Thank you.
Okay, well, no, it's okay. It's okay, because I don't have anything to hide. Let me.
He teaches us every weekend.
Tell yourself, Azu. Before you do, Van, please remove Stephen.
He's a fine man, by the way, so he has nothing to hide.
You say I should remove Stevie?
Yes. He's a white dude that's trying to disrupt what we're doing. I've removed him now. Thank you.
Okay. Honorable Bamba or it's a spotlight us so that we can move on and so spotlight him, please.
Who should be spotlight?
They want to see his face. They want to see his face.
Strangely, my camera's totally upside down. I don't know what's going on.
I know.
As you're upside down. Okay, we see you.
Your camera. Is that
yeah. Well, let me just turn my computer.
Yeah, nice.
No, it's not. I think it is the setting that it needs to do something.
Yeah. You clicked that place by accident. I've had that before.
There we go. Okay, so I hope everyone can see me.
We can see you.
If you go to the government website, go to the personnel page, and search Azubike. I'm there. I've been there since 2023.
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah, we know. We trust you.
Every Saturday.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you,
Biko, Honorable Zion, one more person so we can leave.
Okay. Because Sunday, just make it one second, okay? 1 minute. Sunday, Obuwe.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Yeah, my name is Sunday. I live in Spain. Yeah, I'm not clear about the new change in this thing, so I want you people to like me more so that because again I'm not clear. In short, I'm not clear about the new change of the account.
Please, I'll make it short because so that we can continue. Yeah. There is no change in the method of payment. He said it over and over. Let me repeat himself now. There is no change. The method of payment remains the same. Go to the website, click anyone you want to pay, the one you used to pay before, click it, do the same thing. The rest, it will go to the new account. Because thank you very much. There is no changes for all of us. No changes at all.
Okay. And so if you have further questions as well, you can also contact your rep and then she will elaborate on that. Okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we can go. There are so many in the waiting room so that you all can handle that.
That's why. You have to join. When you want to join the game, put your name. When you put your name, it will allow you to copy.
You have so many people in your waiting room.
Okay.
Because if they have approved you.
Okay. Are we good here? There's one more person with his hand up. Maybe we take one last question.
Okay. John, why Vam is getting ready?
You can copy there.
John, able. Unmute him. Please, somebody unmute her. Okay.
It's John Ebo, not Abo. Okay, sorry. Good evening. Yes, good evening, everyone.
I'm sorry about that.
I just wanna ask you a quick question. Anybody that has direct debit, does he have to make an update, or you just leave it to go into the new account? Thank you.
No, your subscriptions are fine. There's nothing that you need to do. Everything has been done.
Okay then. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, dear friends.
Thank you, dear friends. Another question to be answered later.
Yes. Thank you very much.
There will be follow-up meetings.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you back. Thank you, CRC.
So we can remain then.
Yes.
No, I have this. Thank you very much. I'm going to try for at least then I may come back, but at the moment.
Because this weekend.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.